Hello, welcome along to yet another video. I look quite pale today. I've got a beanie hat on because I'm growing my hair out. So don't judge, okay? I might have a big fringe later on in the video, but I'm not too sure. 222104, I haven't actually been on this train yet, but it is the one I'm getting to Kettering, and it's nice and fancy purple livery. All the catenary and everything is also up on the overhead wires up there. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm heading to Birmingham, I'm going to meet my mate Jack. We're going to head about the railways there and make a slightly more comprehensive video of the railways and trams in Birmingham. About something that really bothers me, and I just want to know if it bothers any of you guys as well. I'm currently in Leicester, waiting to get the cross-country train to Birmingham New Street. Now, here's a question, let me know in the comments. Do you guys hate it? You know when you're inside the train and you're going to press the button and your hand is clearly on the button to open the door? You know, the one with the two triangles? But somebody on the outside, knowing that you're in there, still goes to press the open door button even though you do it from the inside and they can clearly see that? It's really petty, but it really bothers me, and I don't know why. You can see I'm getting worked up about it, but just let me know what you think, because I mustn't be the only one out there that gets annoyed by people trying to open the door, even though your finger is on the open door button. Let me know in the comments. Does it annoy you? It's still one of my least favourite stations that ever exist because it is so badly organised, but hopefully in the next shot you'll be able to see me with my little tufty fringe that I've got going on. I'm hoping to grow my hair out and dye it for a festival that I'm going to in the summer that I'm going to vlog. Also a little hint as well, in the next few weeks there will be a New York special coming, and also I'm going to Amsterdam in March, so there'll be a lot of videos of the Eurostar as well, so make sure to stay tuned for that, make sure to stay liking and subscribing. I'm just trying to find the exit, but as usual you have to wander about 6 million miles down the platform to actually find it. Still don't like New Street, still isn't very good, but hopefully my mate Jack will be upstairs by the ticket hall where I'm supposed to be meeting him to head about for the day. There he is. Hello. You alright, mate?
Hello.
This is Jack, everybody, first time on the channel.
Hello.
He's like the West Midlands expert, so you're going to show me about, aren't you? Expert, yeah. Right, let's go and get some tickets. Right, so me and Jack are going to head to Moore Street, which is the only kind of big mainline terminus that I've never been to. I've been to Snow Hill, been to obviously New Street, I'm here now. I hate this station, but I want to see whether Moore Street's any better. What, do you like Moore Street?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. It's got Chiltern, I suppose. That's something.
Well, it's the only like original station that's like in like a massive city.
Never been to Moore Street, so this will be interesting. Never been on Chiltern either. But if I can get some timetables, I'll be a happy boy.
Ooh, look at that
nice old heritage signs. I like it.
Hang on, where are they?
On there. But
usually here. Oh, it's like
Chiltern train. Very exciting times. It's running on battery power. You can see the pantograph isn't down yet. These lovely, beautiful blue trams. I haven't been on the new extension yet, and I'm really excited. I've walked it, but I haven't actually seen it in operation. new extension of the West Midlands Metro. It opened about a month ago. You can see the new shelters are really modern compared to the old Centro Metro ones. They've got these stickers on them, and then the nice white design, which looks a lot more modern than usual. We're at the St Scenery Square, the library tram stop. Compared to the other ones, there's no old remnants of any kind of machines around, and you've also got these really nice wooden benches as well. Overall, everyone involved in the West Midlands Metro extension up to this so far have done a great job. It looks amazing, and I'm excited for the future, especially down to Wolverhampton and further on towards Five Ways as well. So we have a plan. We're going to go and try and knock off as many stations as possible today, because I have a little Google Docs thing of all the stations I've ever been to. I've been on one of these trains, but with Northern. Hopefully this one will be on time. Even though Northern, in the spec of things, is going to be gone by March, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Woo! We're getting rid of Northern, how crap they are. Yeah, I'm quite looking forward to going to Wolverhampton. We were there in August last year, and the metro sort of building had stopped completely. But hopefully things have been more improved. Let's hope for the best. Woo! The new Wolverhampton station concourse is very West Midlandsy Railway black and orange. As you can see here, this is where the tram lines are going to run up, across the bridge and across the main road over towards the station. They have built the tram lines as far up to here as for now, but it hasn't actually started to go and flank sort of the inside of the new station yet, so that'll probably be done by the time it opens later on this year, hopefully. But they have done a really good job so far in building the tram lines out towards this way and down towards, whether they've built the new platforms yet, for the Piper's Row stop where the bus station's going to be. Just here is the platform that's now been installed for when the trams arrive, including the yellow line. All the sort of caps have been put in for when they're going to put all the electrics in. On the other side though, it doesn't seem like the platform has been installed yet. Have to have a go over, hop over quickly. No, oh, they have put the platform up.
It's a bit staggered then.
Yeah, staggered platforms. These weren't here last time me and Jack were here, but they have been recently installed. What's your thoughts? 10 out of 10 yet? What do you think?
I mean, it needs a bit of, you know, shade or whatever.
Yeah, they'll put a canopy up. I'm sure they will. Change of plan, right? We're not going to Coventry now. We're just going to kind of figure out what we're going to do and try and finish off another line. Because we haven't got a clue what we're doing so far. We missed the fast train, so we're just going to kind of wing it now. Currently on West Midlands Railway anyway, heading down from Wolverhampton towards...
London North Western.
London North Western, yes. Heading towards Birmingham New Street, and then when we're there, we'll sort of quickly run, hop on the train and join you when we're there. And the next station is where we're expecting to get off, which is Blake Street. You said the area is a bit weird.
It's just out of the way.
We're off to Sutton Coldfield. Only a couple of stops down the line, so we're on West Midlands Railway again. Oh. Cushy, let's relax. And we are now in the royal town of Sutton Coldfield. I don't understand particularly why it's royal, but apparently it is. Do you have any idea? I don't know. It's because I'm here, I'm royalty. Well, that's it from me, Rhys, for another video. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Jack as well, who joined me. right-handed handshake this time. He'll be in another video, I'm sure, in the West Midlands. But thanks for joining me, mate, and make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll catch you on the next railway adventure on the way to New York. Bye.